Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make candied orange peel. So let's get started. Place a large saucepan filled with water onto the stove and let it boil. Then wash the oranges. When I was in culinary school, we were told to always wash the oranges or any citrus fruit if you're going to be using the peel in your recipe. It washes off any pesticides or bacteria that may be on it. Cut off the top and the bottom. And cut 4 slits down the peel, going all the way through the peel. And peel it off. Then cut the peel into thin slices. Once the water is boiling, carefully add the orange peels into it and let it boil for 15 minutes. Then take it off the heat and drain out the water and rinse off the peels. Fill the pot with more water. Place it back onto the stove and let it boil again. Add the peels back into the water and let it boil for another 15 minutes. Drain and rinse the peels again. And repeat that process again. The reason we boil it 3 times is because it not only tenderizes the peel, but it also removes most of the bitterness from the white part of the peel. You can even boil it 4 to 6 times to really remove the bitterness. After boiling it the last time you choose to, remove it from the heat and drain and rinse the peels again. Then into the saucepan, add in the sugar and water and place it onto the stove over medium heat. Stir the ingredients to combine them and heat it until it simmers. Once it's simmering, carefully add the orange peels into it and let the peels simmer in the syrup for 45 to 60 minutes until they're tender and sweet. As long as the peels are all submerged in the syrup, there's no need to stir it. After simmering for 45 to 60 minutes, remove it from the heat. Drain and discard the syrup. Then add the sugar into a large bowl and add in the orange peels and toss them until they're all coated. Then place them onto a cooling rack set over a baking sheet. Spread them out in a single layer. And let them sit for at least an hour until they're cooled completely and a little dry. Then coat the peels in more sugar to get a drier coating. Place them back onto the cooling rack in a single layer. And leave them for about a day so they can dry out. Then just scrape them off the cooling rack and store them in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag for up to 2 weeks. And that's how to make candied orange peel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.